What is up guys, it's Digital Ninja here back with a brand new video, and today we are going to be looking at whether or not it's a good idea to clean your graphic card. Like will it help with performance and quietness? So I have here an old graphic card. It's an ATI HD Radeon 5770. It's pretty old. I have never replaced the thermal paste. You can see there's a lot of dust in here. So what I'm gonna be doing is putting this as it is into my computer, seeing if how it works, benchmarking it, seeing the FPS, and then after that I'm gonna take it apart and I am going to replace the thermal paste in it, and after that we will see the difference between the benchmarks in it.
Silent nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could be. Pieces of my mind are yours. I forgot the parts I'm missing. I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never ending.
Okay, so from the two screenshots that I am going to show you now, the first one that you see on your screen right now is before I clean the graphic card. So you can see we got a result of 3688 with a minimum FPS of 20, average of 27. And if you notice the GPU temperature, we're setting at a minimum of 78 degrees and a maximum of 90 degrees, which is quite high. And I just ran one benchmark just to see how it's doing. As you can see, I have Intel Core i3 and 8 gigs RAM with this 1 gig HD Radeon 5770. Okay, and now for the second one, we can see a massive increase in the score overall performance of 3889 with a 1 FPS increase on minimum and 2 on average at the 29 FPS on average. But look at the GPU temperatures. You can see the minimum is sitting at 41 degrees and the maximum 63 degrees. So it's quite a big improvement. So I would suggest that you should clean your GPUs maybe once a year, because like this graphic card has never ever been cleaned before. It's about a few years old now. It's over 6 years old, and as you can see, it's quite a good improvement. So that's it for our video today, guys. If you like this video, please make sure to like the video, and if you haven't subscribed already, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe. Peace.